Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Motorola G15. So go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and now search up wallet. Of course, if you have it installed, you can just open it. I think it's here on this device by default, but if you don't have it, just install it. And if you have it installed, just go straight to the app. Okay, so I will just go quickly update it and go to the app. Okay, now tap on Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner, tap on Loyalty Card, and here are like all of the recommended companies popular or nearby. Now choose which company you would like to have, like from which company you have a loyalty card, and now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually, and then entering your member ID right here and confirming it by tapping on Add to Wallet. And that's basically all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.